In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to take a private repository and make it publicly visible to everyone on GitHub. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few clicks. Let's start by opening the repository that you'd like to make public. Go ahead and select it from your dashboard. Once you're in the repository, you'll find the Settings tab in the upper right corner. Click on that to access your repository configuration. In the Settings menu, we need to scroll all the way down to find the Danger Zone section, which is where visibility changes are made. Here in the Danger Zone, you'll see an option to change repository visibility. Click that button and choose the Public option from the menu. A confirmation dialog will pop up to make sure you understand what you're about to do. Click the button that says you want to make this repository public. You'll need to acknowledge that you've read and understood the effects of making your repository public. Go ahead and click that confirmation. Finally, click the button to make this repository public. This is the last step to complete the visibility change. Perfect! Your repository is now public, which means anyone on GitHub can view all of its code, files, and commit history. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your repository from private to public. Feel free to run through this walkthrough again anytime you need a refresher.